What's up, everyone? So you read the title, so we're just gonna jump right in. I usually don't retwist my hair throughout the week. However, this particular night my scarf came off, so the twists are looking a little bit frizzy and dry. So I'm just gonna take this out and redo them and get them looking nice and pretty again. Okay, everyone, so I slowed this clip down just a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm doing and how my hands work while I'm twisting. So I take that front little section and I split that into two, and then I begin to twist. Now watch my middle finger on my right hand closely, and that is the one that is gathering the hair. That's the finger that adds more hair as I go back. It picks up tiny little pieces every time my right hand gets to the front. It picks up more hair, and it picks up just a little bit so that the twist can lay flat. And I'll just do that all the way back, and then I'll check, smooth it out. And that's what my left hand is there for. It is there just to smooth out the hair that my right hand brings in. I'm hoping that this makes sense. Okay, everyone, so I left this clip in, but I'm going to end up taking this twist out, and you'll be able to see that. But I wanted you to see that it's not always that easy to twist your hair. In this clip, my right middle finger was collecting too much hair, so it caused the twist to look a little bulky, and it just wasn't laying right as I got towards the back of my hair. So you see me taking it out here, and then I'm gonna try this process all over again. So I split it, and that little piece right there is about the size and amount of hair you want to pick up as you're twisting back. So that way your twist will lay nice and flat. Okay, so I wanted to show you all how you can hold your hands differently and still get the same type of twist. So on the first side, I have my hands like this, like I'm showing you right here. On those first three twists, I held my hands on top of my head to get those twists. Now I'm going to hold my hands like this to get this last twist. So instead of this way and twisting in the same direction, as the other twist, I'm going to bring my right hand down and twist in the opposite direction. So you can watch it right here. I'm going to split that section just like I've been doing. And my right hand is still doing the work. It's just in a different position. It's still the hand that's gathering the pieces of hair, and my left hand is still smoothing. So none of that has changed. Only the position of my hands have changed. Okay everyone, so that is the end of this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and press the notification bell after you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.